Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a transparent background for streaming or recording using OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your active sources like images, videos, and captures are listed. Right-click on the specific source you want to remove the background from. For example, if you're working with an image source, right-click directly on it. From the context menu that appears, select Filters. This will open up a new window dedicated to all the effects and modifications you can apply to that particular source. Now, in the Filters window that just opened, look at the bottom left corner. You'll notice a plus sign button. Click on this plus sign to reveal a list of available filter options. From this list, select Chroma Key. This is the filter that allows you to remove specific colors from your source, which is exactly what we need for creating transparency. After selecting Chroma Key, a dialog box will appear. Simply click OK to add this filter to your source. Next, you'll see the Chroma Key Settings panel. At the top of this panel, look for an option labeled Key Color Type. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Custom Color from the available options. This gives you the flexibility to choose exactly which color you want to make transparent instead of using preset values. Once you've selected custom color, you'll notice a new button appears on the right side labeled Select Color. Go ahead and click this button. This will open up a color picker tool that allows you to precisely target the color you want to remove. On the left side of the color picker, you'll see an option called Pick Screen Color. Click on this option. This is a really useful feature because it lets you select any color directly from your screen by clicking on it. Now, still on the left side, click on the color white. This tells OBS that white is the color you want to make transparent. After selecting it, click OK to confirm your choice and close the color picker. Here's where the magic happens. Navigate to the Similarity slider in the Chroma Key settings. You'll see a slider right beside it. This slider controls how aggressively OBS removes similar shades of your selected color. Carefully adjust the slider to the left until your logo or background becomes properly visible with transparency. You might need to fine-tune this a bit to get the perfect balance between removing the background and keeping your main content intact. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Close button at the bottom right of the Filters window. And there you have it, your background is now transparent. If you need to, you can resize your logo or adjust the positioning by clicking on the source in your scene and dragging the corners to scale it to your desired size. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.